Fourth exercise of real numbers. The first main question is, without actual performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, they have given some examples here. Here we need to decide, or without long division method we need to state whether these are terminating or non-terminating. Okay, so let us discuss these questions. So here one thing we need to know. So if the denominator, that is if this is given in the form of p by q, when denominator, that is denominator, it is in the form of 2 to the power of n, 5 to the power of m, or 2 to the power of n or 5 to the power of m. So if it is in these forms, then the decimal expansion is terminating, otherwise it is non-terminating. Okay, so the first question is here, this is 13 by 3125. Okay, so this can be done as 13 by 3125. So we know 3125, this is divisible by 5. Okay, this is 5 6, then we have 1, 5 2 ja 10, 2 5 ja. Okay, then 5. Okay, here this is 5 1 ja. Okay, then here 12 2 ja. Okay, then 25 5 5 ja. Then here 5 25 ja. Next 5 5 ja. 5 1 ja. 1 2 3 4 5. So 3125 can be written as 5 to the power of 5. So here denominator is in the form of 5 to the power of m. Then it is terminating. Next, 17 divided by 8 can be written as, this is 2 cube. Okay, then it is in the form of 2 to the power of n. So automatically this is also terminating. Okay, then next, so 64 divided by 455. So this can be expanded by 455. So this is divisible by 5. 5 9 ja, 5 1 ja. Again we have 91 here. Okay, this is nothing but 13 7 ja. Okay, this can be done as 5 into 13 into 7. Then here we have 5 to the power, but we have 7 here. If 7, it has 7 denominator, then it is non-terminating. Okay, so this is non-terminating repeating. So if 7 there means it is repeating. So next, this can be done as 15 can be done as 5 3 ja. Then here this can be done as 16 into 100. Okay, then 5 3 ja divided by 16 can be done as, this is 2 to the power of 4. Okay, 100 can be done as 5 2 ja 10. Okay, 10 square, 100 is 10 square. So then again 5 into 3 divided by 2 to the power of 4 into 5 square into 2 square. So this can be done as 5 into, so 1 5, here 1 5 get cancelled, we have only 3. 3 divided by, here 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 2 is 2 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 1 remaining. Okay, here see the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m. Then it is terminating. So next fifth question is 29 divided by 343. So 29 divided by 343 is nothing but 7 cube. So now it has a denominator 7. Then it is automatically non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. So here in sixth question, 23 divided by 2 to the power 2 square into 5 square. So this is also in the form of 2 to the power of n, 5 to the power of m. So then it is automatically terminating. So 7th question, it has denominator 2 to the power 2 square and into 5 to the power 7 into 7. So here it has 7 means it is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. So repeating. So next question is 6 by 15. So this is 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, that is 2 by 5. So the denominator is in the form of 5 to the power, then it is terminating. Next 9th question is, this is 5 7 ja, 5 10 ja. Okay, 7 by 10 can be written as 2 5 ja 10. Okay, now denominator is in the form of 2 into 7, 2 into 5. Okay, then it is terminating. So next question is, so here okay, this is 7 11 ja, 7 30 ja, then 11 by 30 can be written as this is 6 5 ja 30. Okay, then it is 6 can be written as 2 3 ja into 5. So here also it has 2 into 5 and 3 there. Okay, then it is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. Second main question is, write down the decimal expansion of those rational number in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. So which questions have terminating decimal expansion? We need to write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers by using long division method. So here first question, second question has terminating and fourth question has terminating, and here sixth question and 8th question. Okay, we'll solve this by one by one. The first and second and 4. I will solve first these 3. So first one, 13 by 3125. Okay, I divide 13 by 3125. Okay, so here we know this is greater one, this is smaller one, it cannot divide 13. Okay, then I take here 0 point, so then here comes 0. So again 130 cannot be divisible. Okay, again I take one more 0, so I write down 0 here. So 1300, 3000 here, but here 1300, again it cannot be divisible, then I take another 0. Okay, then here we have 13,000, now it can be divisible, so here I take 4 ja. Okay, 4 5 ja 20, carry 2, 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, then here 5 0 0, again we have 500. 500. Okay, I take one more 0 here. Okay, if you take 0 after decimal and after a point number, then it is need not to write down 0 here. Okay, then here we have 5000. So 5000 means it is nearly 1 ja. Okay, 1 ja 3125. So here we have 5, carry 1. So 7, carry 1. Okay, 8, carry 1. So 1. Again I take 0 here. So 18,000 something. Okay, 18,750. So we know 3 6 are 18. Okay, 3 6 are, I take 6. Okay, 6 5 are 30, carry 3. 6 2 ja 12 plus 3 5, carry 1. 6 1 ja 6 plus 1 7, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, so now here remainder is 0. Okay, then here the decimal expansion is 0.00416. So for second question, here 8 divides 17. Okay, 8 2 ja 16. Okay, here 1. So I take 0 here. So 1 cannot divide. Then I take here point. Then here it is 10. There is 2 1 ja 8 1 ja 8. Okay, then here 2. Okay, again I take 0. Then 8 2 ja 16. So 4 we have 20 minus 16 4. So this becomes 40. Then 8 5 ja 40. Then here 0. The decimal expansion is 2.125. So fourth question, here 1600 divides 15. Okay, so now here 1600 cannot divide. Okay, here I take 0. Then here write down 0.150 there. Again it cannot divide. So again I take one more 0. So 1600 here 1500, it is smaller. Again it cannot be divided. I take one more 0. So now it is 15,000. Okay, so then here 15,000 means I take 9 ja. Okay, then here we have 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 are 54. Okay, carry 5, 9 1 are 9 plus 5, it is equals to 14. Then here we have 0 0, so 6 minus 4, here carry 1, 6 minus 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 5 0 0, 600. Okay, I take one more 0 here, then I take here 3 za. Okay, so then here 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 za. 18, carry 1, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 is 5, 5800 means we have 200, I take one more 0, 2000 here, so it means it is 1 ja, so 2000, sorry not 2000, this is 4800. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 is 4, not 5. Okay, so then here we have 1200 means I take one more 0 here, that is it becomes 12,000. So next here I take 7 ja. Okay, 7 zeros are 0, 0 ja, 7 6 ja, 42, carry 4, 7 1 ja 7 plus 4 is 11. So then equals to 10 minus 2 is 8, carry 1, 0 0. Okay, here we have 800, so it means 8000. So we know 16 5 ja 80, then it is 1600 5 ja. So 1600 5 ja is 8000. So then here equals to 0. The decimal expansion of this is 0.009375. So next question is sixth one. This is terminating, so I solve this one. 23 divided by 2 square is 2 cube is 8, 5 square is 25. So then it is 23 divided by, so this is equals to 200. 25 8 ja 200. Now I divide this one. So here 200 divides 23. So it cannot divide. So here I take 0 when 0 point ja. So then here 1 ja 230. Sorry, 201 ja 200. So we have 30. So again it cannot divide. I take one more 0. Again it is 1 ja 201 ja 200. Okay, we have 100. 100 means I take one more 0, 1000 there. Then it is 205 ja 1000. 205 ja 1000. So this is equals to 0. The decimal expansion of 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square is 0.115. So here we have 8th question, 6 by 15. Okay, 3 2 ja, this is 3 5 ja, this is, sorry, 3 2 ja 5 ja. Okay, 2 by 5. So I solve this one. Okay, so 5 divides 2. So then here we have, it cannot be divisible, divides 2 divides 5 cannot divide 2. Then I take 0 point here, I take here 0. So this becomes 20. Then we know 5 4 ja 20. Okay, then here it is equals to 0. So then decimal expansion is 0.4. 2.5 can be written as 0.4. 2 by 5 is equals to 0.4. So next, the last question is 9th question. So this is 35 by 50. Okay, so this is, we know, this is 5 7 ja 5 10 ja. Okay, 7 by 10. Okay, I solve this one by long division method. So 10 which divides 7. Okay, then 7 cannot be divided by here 0 point. Okay, we know 10 7 ja 70. So it becomes 0. Then The decimal expansion is 0.7. So third main question is, the following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of form p by q, what can you say about the prime factors of q? Okay, let us discuss this question one by one, whether these are rational or not. So here the first question is 43.123456789. Okay, the digit stop here at 9. Okay, then it is here, it is terminating. Okay, so here it has terminating decimal expansion. So if it is terminating means the number is rational. So it is rational number. If it is irrational means it is in the form of p by q. So what can you say about q? They asked in question. The q here, q is in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m. Okay, or the factors of q are 2 or 5 or both. So the second question is 0.120120012001200. Here it is non-terminating. Okay, it is non-terminating and so here it is not repeating also. Okay, digits are not repeating. So not non-recurring. So if terminating, if it has repeating, then it is a rational. So it is non-terminating and non-repeating, then it is irrational. It is irrational number. So here next question is 43.123456789 bar. Okay, so the first question and last question are same, but only the difference is it is repeating, but it is not repeating. Okay, so here this is non-terminating. Okay, you will get more terms here. So now this is non-terminating and recurring. So that is repeating. So that's why this is also rational, because we have repeating. So this is rational. So it is non-terminating, then the decimal not in the form of, that is the q. Okay, so it is in the form of p by q. Here q is not in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m. Okay, it may have denominators 2 in the power of 2 or 5 or both, but not completely in the form of this. Okay.